a PhD student will confirm based in University of Library. Technology have a huge impact on all the recent advancements, and every physical product is first designed and tested in software programs before its physical fabrication. Similarly, smart manufacturing have a massive dependence on software layer for its communication needs with sensors and equipment, and also for intelligent decision making in timely manner with the help of reporting dashboards. The development of this software layer have a huge dependency on software developers, and the associated challenges with the conventional development approaches are the complexity in development, maintenance over time, the lack of quality documentation, and skilled resources. So my research focuses on the development of a graphical domain-specific language which will empower domain experts to design their day-to-day workflows and reporting dashboards with the help of graphical drag-and-drop visual components. This will not only increase the element of reusability, but will also improve the productivity of daily operations in smart manufacturing. Thank you.